Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Greek yogurt dip. Cue the music. Alright, well, welcome back. I appreciate you joining us from whatever platform you're watching us on. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, leave us a comment down below, and then share this video with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making a Greek yogurt dip, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 1 cup of plain yogurt. I use Greek yogurt. We got 2 garlic cloves that I've minced up, 1 tablespoon of chopped mint, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a juice from 1 lemon, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, and a little black pepper. Let's start mixing her up. Alright, we'll go ahead and just mix up our ingredients in a bowl big enough for everything. Drop our yogurt in there. I'm going to go ahead and throw our garlic and mint in next. Give that a little swirl in there. Salt and pepper, olive oil, lemon juice. We're going to use a whisk to mix it up. A lot of Mediterranean flavor in here. Ingredients, nice and healthy. Mix it all up really well. Alright, well there it is, our Greek yogurt dip. I've got some homemade pita. We're going to take some pictures and then we are going to come back and give this a taste. Don't go away. Alright, well, we got some beautiful pictures there. So let's get a taste of these chips with this dip. Look at that, how beautiful that is. That is creamy. You can see the dill in there. I'm sorry, not the dill, but the mint. Olive oil kind of comes through in there. You can see the sheen from that. Salt and pepper. Holds really well to the cracker. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Oh yeah. That mint and that lemon match so well together. They come right out there with a burst of flavor and a little bit of acidity to match what the yogurt has. Olive oil adds a little bit of fat, a little bit of flavor. This is a great dip. Good with pita chips. You could use it in place of tzatziki if you don't have that, if you want to make a nice falafel sandwich or a gyro. But you want to make some chips, buy some pita bread, make some chips, and make this, chill it in your refrigerator in a sealed container for about a week if it lasts that long. But it's really good. Greek yogurt dip. Recipe's in the description box or the first pinned comment, or should I say the link to the recipe. So go ahead and check that out. Have yourself a good day. Thanks a lot for stopping by.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.